Welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss top 5 journal in the different subject and quick publication with the acceptance rate and high acceptance rate also and the क्विक पब्लिकेशन जर्नल. सो लास्ट तक वीडियो देखिए, मे बी पॉसिबल आप जिस जर्नल की सर्च में हैं आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाए. फर्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ द जर्नल नेम इज द जर्नल ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क एंड कम्युनिकेशन. This journal published by the Hindway, and brief introduction about this journal. Acceptance rate of this journal 9%, as you can see here in the right hand side panel. Submission to final decision within 74 days and acceptance to publication within 46 days and side score 3.10. So this is a matrix of particular this journal and really very quick publication journal. If you want to know more about the journal, you can explore more. So this is the journal aim and scope, means how many topics and what are the topics covered by this particular journal. कौन कौन से वो ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जो इसमें हम पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. तो हम अगर आपका ये रिसर्च एरिया सभी टॉपिक्स से मैच करता है, देन दिस जर्नल इज़ वेरी सूटेबल टू पब्लिश योर रिसर्च पेपर. सो this section very carefully, so read out this section very carefully. And if you want to know more about the publication ISSN number, so the journal published in both categories, print version and online version, so you can explore this section very carefully. And this is also the open access category. And if you want to know more about this journal, you can see for authors. So if you want to create a research article, so just read out this section for authors. So here you will have the all the detailed information how to prepare our research paper. For reviewers, editors, table of contents, issues, all the published article you will get there here. So this is how we can explore this particular journal. And in the left hand side panel, if you want to contact, so just click on the contact, so you will have the mail ID, so just you have to drop a query. Next category of the journal is the Hindway Publishers, and the journal name is the Advances in Human Computer Interaction. And journal detail very brief way. Acceptance rate of this journal 21%. Within 42 days you will get the notification, and after that within 49 days you will have the acceptance to publication. And 2.000 site score, and aim and scope and topics covered by this journal. So you can refer this section very carefully. So here you will get the all the detailed information, कौन कौन से वो ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसमें आप अपना रिसर्च एरिया अपना पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. तो दीज आर द टॉपिक्स डिटेल. सो रीड आउट दिस सेक्शन वेरी केयरफुली एंड सबमिट योर रिसर्च पेपर टू पब्लिश. Next category is the Advances in Fuzzy System. So this is a journal title. So if your research area comes under this particular topics and title, you can submit your research article. So these are the topics, so read out this section very carefully. So if your research area met with this particular this topics and title, you have to submit your research article. And acceptance rate of this journal, you can see here right hand side 16%, and within 95 days you will have the notification, and after that 41 days are required to publish, and site score 2.200. And if you want to know more about the indexing, so just click on the indexing part. So here you will have the information whether this journal related to the Scopus category or many more indexing. So extra indexing part, you will have the indexing part in this particular journal. So you can see here this journal comes under the very rich indexing abstracting. So this journal comes under the particular Scopus category and many more indexing. So explore this section very carefully. So this is how you can explore this journal in detail. Next category of the journal, active and passive electronics components. And journal detail is 14% acceptance rate. Within 54 days you will have the first decision, and after that 35 days are required to publish, and site score 1.110. and topics and title, just click on the aim and score left hand side panel. So you have to explore all the details information, topics and titles. So accordingly you have to submit your research paper. अगर आपके रिसर्च एरिया आपके टॉपिक से मैच करते हैं, then you have to submit your research paper for the publication. database indexing. So you will have about this information about whether this journal related to the Scopus category or not. So this is how we can understand about the indexing part. So as you can see here, very rich indexing. So this comes under the category of the Scopus category. Now next category of the journal is the advances in operation research, aim and scope. You can see here कौन से वो ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसमें हम अपना रिसर्च एरिया पब्लिश कर सकते हो. सो यू हियर यू विल हैव द डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन and general metrics. Acceptance rate 14%. Within 51 days you have to will get the first decision, and after then only 16 days are required. So really very quick publication journal, and the site score is the 1.300. Related to the indexing part, just click on the indexing part, so it will be redirected to the indexing part. So this is how we can understand about the indexing and abstracting part of any journal in this particular journal. So really very good opportunity to publish your research paper. So this is a journal comes under the category ESCI journal, and also the Scopus category journal, and many more indexes. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. अगर आपके सभी टॉपिक्स इन किसी भी जर्नल से मैच करते हैं तो आप अपना रिसर्च आर्टिकल इन जर्नल में सबमिट कर सकते हैं पब्लिकेशन के लिए. रियली वेरी क्विक पब्लिकेशन. एंड इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल फॉर अपकमिंग इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.